Today we are going to make this really cute mini sofas. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's super simple and it's a recycling craft. Let's get started. Take cardboard and draw a circle. Cut the circle. Draw two lines in the halfway mark of the circle. Take another cardboard and roll it like this. We are going to make a semicircle. Cut it out. Next, start pressing so we can bend it. Next, take a piece of cloth and we are going to trace a circle, the same circle. We're going to trace a circle around the circle. Cut it also. We are going to rip some cotton for the cushion. But I have already done it, so I'm going to start gluing it.
Cushion was kind of hard, so don't do it like this.
Next, we're going to make little snips in the extra cloth. Now it's looking messy, but later it look cleaner. And glue it too. Make another circle the same size and we have to glue it on top, like this. Do the exact same step with the semicircle. Glue the semicircle to the cushion. Next, we are going to glue some legs to the sofa. So I have cut pieces of wood from skewer. Yoy! We are done! This looks so awesome! I really love how these mini sofas look. I can use them for my dolls. They're so cute! Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!